In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule light show in your Tesla. First, select the three dots here, and then you can select toy box, and then you have light show here, and then select schedule show. Okay, so here you can select which show you want. If you've created your own light show, you can select this one. You have your own light show on your USB. Okay, so here you can select the volume, and then you have the schedule time. As you can see, you can only schedule it 10 minutes before, so you need to go outside and do it if later. Okay, and you can also select dance moves if you want the charge port to go up and down, mirrors to go up and down, and windows up and down, and also the trunk. And when you are satisfied, you can just select confirm. If you want to create your own custom light show, you can just hit this link and a new page will open, and here you can read how to do this. Okay, so that's how you schedule light show in your Tesla.